Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to manage your subscription on mobile dashboard for ExpressVPN. So if you want to manage your ExpressVPN subscription from your mobile device, the process depends on whether you've signed up directly through a website or through your app store. So if you've purchased your ExpressVPN website, or if you've purchased via ExpressVPN website, then you have to sign in to your expressvpn.com from your web browser. After you're logged into your account, you then need to tap the menu bar from the top right corner of the screen. There you want to go to My Accounts. As you go to the My Account, you just need to go ahead and select the menu icon again within the dashboard and select Subscriptions. As you go to the subscription details, you can see Cancel Subscription or Manage Settings. Now, if you want to select the Cancel Subscription, you could just follow the prompt until you receive a confirmation. And if you tap on the Manage Subscription Settings to turn off Auto-Renewal without immediate ending your service as well. And if you want to change plan, you could select by Better Deals to switch off a different billing cycle as well. And if you've used your Android or an iOS, you have to go to Settings for iOS. And once you go to Settings on your iOS device, you then need to tap Open the iCloud ID at the very top. And there you will be able to find the subscription and you could go ahead and cancel it. As for the Android device, you just want to go ahead and open your Play Store and tap on the profile at the very bottom of the screen, the Use section. Then once again, tap on the profile at the very top right. Go to Payment and Subscription. Locate Subscription from the list, and this is where you will be able to locate and manage your subscription on mobile dashboard for ExpressVPN. Now, with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.